Hi, I'm Ted, entrepreneurial lead for Team Verne.
I'm David, Verne's technical lead.
I'm Brent Perry, and I'm the industry mentor for Team Verne.
Verne makes hydrogen fuel tanks. At the beginning of I-Corps, we thought ship operators would buy our tanks to save on fuel costs versus other zero-emission alternatives.
But our real understanding of customer needs changed after a conversation with Tony.
Tony is an engineering manager at a ferry company. Tony made it clear that one thing matters: reliability. But Tony stressed that one thing contributes to reliability in addition to the ship itself: the fuel supply.
So for Tony, the hydrogen and the tank were a package. He wouldn't buy our tank without a guaranteed fuel supply.
That was a big moment of reflection for the team. What does it mean to become a fuel supplier? Is that something we can do? As we were answering these questions, we were faced with an even bigger challenge. We learned that early evangelist hydrogen ship operators wouldn't consider our technology before technology is proven reliable on a heavy-duty truck.
We spent months researching the maritime space, and we're hesitant to throw our business model overboard. We turned our focus to trucking.
We're now back at square one, a new customer and a new value proposition. Early calls indicate that there is a need in heavy-duty trucking for longer range, something that we can provide. But we still have many more interviews to do. Over the last few weeks, we've made a lot of changes. We started with tank sales, before fuel sales, and the bigger pivot into trucking. Each change was painful. We'd invested time into each of these ideas. But what we learned from I-Corps is to question our assumptions and follow the customer.
The I-Corps program really accelerated the learning of Team Verne. Through what they've gained, they'll avoid many of the mistakes that people could make in startup and have a great start in the maritime industry.
We've learned that the initial pain from changing direction is replaced by excitement. We've seen the potholes that we've avoided and the promise of a new direction.